Hello, welcome our the best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best USB fans which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. AceMining Rechargeable Battery Operated Fan. Product information, by AceMining USB Fans. Item weight, 9.4 ounces. Product dimensions, 6.2 by 6.1 by 2.3 inches. Color, white. There are many benefits of using this model of the AceMining battery-operated fan. These include 3 speed settings, powerful wind flow, compact size and many more. The users will be able to quickly change the speed settings as per her needs. One of the attractive advantages is its longer operation and the need for rechargeable power. The built-in fan is equipped with high-quality lithium battery 3600 mAh. This compact rechargeable fan can be easily recharged via USB port from PC, USB charger, power bank, or a few other devices through USB output. The facility of 180 degrees rotation allows airflow output in different directions for your convenience. You will be able to easily rotate this battery-operated fan as per your demands. It operates at minimum noise level of 20 decibels, so the entire operation is silent. Number 2. OPOLAR 8-inch Rechargeable Battery-Operated Clip-On Fan. The OPOLAR 8-inch Rechargeable Battery-Operated Clip-On Fan is the best USB fan because it has a useful camp that lets you put it almost anywhere, and it can be used for up to 24 hours between charges. The rechargeable, battery-operated OPOLAR 8-inch Rechargeable Battery-Operated Clip-On Fan comes with 4 speeds and circulates air quickly. This USB clip-on fan comes with a sturdy clamp and is perfect to use outside when camping, at the beach, or on a treadmill as you work out. You can also use it by your desk at work or in the car. With several power supply options, this OPOLAR fan has the versatility to be charged with a cell phone adapter using or with batteries. It comes with a 24 hours of working time, plus it is heat resistant. The head also pivots, so you can make angle adjustments to get just the right amount of breeze when you need it. The strong and durable clamp includes a 3-inch clip opening and operates quietly when set on low speed. The OPOLAR fan also comes with an energy-saving setting as well as 3 strong speed settings. Number 3. OPOLAR Mini USB Table Desk Personal Fan. This mini USB fan earned popularity for its incredible benefits and functions. It features a 4-inch blade and 6-inch frame that saves your desk lots of space. This fan is perfect for the office, home, dorm, study, library, and games room. More so, the sturdy metal fan produces a soft breeze to keep you cool and relaxed. It is even powered by a 3.9 feet USB cable, which makes it compatible with computers, laptops, portable chargers and other devices with USB output. This is the perfect companion and ideal to use on the hot day when you want to keep fresh. This USB fan product is backed by 1-year replacement warranty for product defect and comes with live customer service care 7 days a week from the manufacturer. Pros: very quiet, small, compact and lightweight, sturdy, easy to use, comes with good air movement. Cons: none. Number 4. VersionTECH Mini Handheld Fan, USB Desk Fan. VersionTECH has produced a flexible and practical device that could be used in any conditions. Powered by both a built-in rechargeable battery and a USB port, this fan allows multi-purpose use. Due to a folding design, you can use it as a personal fan during your outings. It can be clipped to an umbrella, stroller, visor, belt, backpack or anywhere else. The set includes a 2000 mAh battery that provides you with up to 8 hours of operating time and requires approximately 4 hours for full recharging. However, if you haven't got any USB-enabled device on you and you're away from outlets, It's possible to use it with standard type batteries that can be bought from any store nearby. That being said, if you used a power bank, you'd not need to think of batteries at all. Number 5. Efluky Mini Desk USB Operated Fan. The Efluky Mini Desk Fan, rechargeable battery or USB operated fan is the best USB fan because it has 3 speeds, which is uncommon in USB fans, and has built-in lights that are handy while using it in the dark. With 3 speeds, the efluky Mini Desk Fan, rechargeable battery or USB-operated fan is a rechargeable, battery-operated fan that comes with an LED light. This portable USB fan is quiet enough to be used in the office or at home. It is also handy to have with you when you are camping, traveling, or sitting on the back porch. Measuring 4.9 inches, the efluky fan won't take up too much room on your desk. You can charge it the same cable that you use on your Android phone, smartphone charger, or computer. With 3 speeds, you have several choices in temperature control, and the included side emergency light and built-in blue light give you useful lights at night or when you are out camping. Pros: affordable, 3 speeds, cordless and portable. 4 color options. Cons: can get really noisy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.